Now we would like to give you a short sampling of some of our other videos that are available for immediate shipment.
Thunder on the track. Superstars of stock cars. The speed, the action, and the death-defying.
Well, it's is it the 18th today of July?
Okay.
04, and we're in Creelman, biggest little fair in Canada.
Yep.
We got the course set up here for lawnmower races, and
right.
We're gonna have a few heats and maybe a few crashes and have a good time.
Yeah, and how do you feel about defending your title, your Weyburn title?
I don't know. I'm kind of concerned. I like the smaller course with the tight corners. This is a pretty big, wide open track, so I might not have the top end.
And can you speak to the grass terrain instead of dirt this time?
That shouldn't really be a factor.
No?
Especially on a big course like that.
What about traction? Is there going to be more slippage, less?
Probably less, I would think.
Yeah.
Once you get her wound out, though, you won't be slowing down much, so.
Since the beginning of racing, when the first green flag would drop, the competition would be as exciting and as breathtaking as it is today. Who would be the best and take the biggest chance? Those chances for some would end their racing careers, but for others it would be just another day of tough competition at the office, where end over end spilling and thrilling had become a way of life.
You ready for the race?
Oh yeah.
You can throw me if you wanna, but on my phone and I go boop, bip, bip, boop, bip, bip, yeah! If I don't start crying, it's because that I have got no eyes. My father's in the fireplace and my dog lies till mud dies.
Down in the States, they race. I was telling these guys, they race chainsaws. They race chainsaws. They take.
Zachary, Jim Murphy, Blake McLeod, and Bob Quigley.
The last Bob Quigley's racing chainsaws.
Next seat is everybody else, but we want you guys to line up, and then I'm going to introduce all you guys and your sponsors.
Cooling system, 2 handlebars, 2 guys pick it up, and they have a 6-foot chain out the side, a 1-inch chainsaw blade, about this wide, and they start that thing up, and how fast you can cut a 4-foot log. And if you're over a half a second to cut a 4-foot log, you're out of the company. You're not even in the running. Yeah. You should see these things cut logs. They just drop them. They pick them up, rev them up, and drop.
Right. I don't know, I kind of feel like I'm gonna crash.
Are you here to watch the lawnmower races? Yeah, are you pretty pumped? Yeah.
Doggy. Never rolled her.